Chamberlain presents its innovative MyQ technology. Operate your garage door easily with your smartphone or computer from anywhere in the world. Feel safe at home with the garage door monitor. Monitor and close your garage door from any room in the house. The Chamberlain gateway is connected to your existing internet connection. Connect the power cable to the gateway and the network cable supplied to the router. If the green LED on the gateway comes on and stays on, your internet connection has been established. Visit www.mychamberlain.eu on the internet and log on. Register with the gateway serial number you find on the back of the device. Follow the instructions in the internet and press the yellow Learn button on the garage door drive. With our free app, you can operate your garage door from your smartphone. Enjoy the comfort of Chamberlain's new MyQ technology.